Welcome back, you guys, and thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is just a really quick little home project that I wanted to get done while I had the help of my dad and mom here. We switched out the cabinet hardware in the kitchen and I love it so much. It just gives a little bit of personality that was I didn't even really know it was lacking. I guess I did, but once we had it all done and everything switched out, it just really is giving it that little bit of extra personality that was missing. So I am so happy that this is done. It was a fairly inexpensive project. It wasn't the cheapest, just to pull out on a whim, but it wasn't too bad. I want to say all in all, under $300 for even having to go get a couple of extra tools to cut down the screws and things like that. So I will try to link the actual hardware down below in the description box. I don't think I've successfully done that yet, so just bear with me. And if you do really want to know and for some reason you can't find it or I can't get the link thing to work, just leave me a comment and I will message you and let you know where I got everything. So just enjoy. I'm going to put on some music here and just enjoy this. And what a fun and easy and quick transformation. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Thanks, guys.